Hey guys, this is King Bestiola and we are live at Wagara Zedo Street Experience. This project is proudly sponsored by Ambassador Osazuwa Omede. So guys, follow me. You are going to collect a paper here and you will tell us what it is in Edo language. Yes, ma. So first of all, Mommy David know anywhere. What's your name?
Enime Isobomuwa.
Okay, so Mommy pick one. Okay. Mommy, the word in English.
Knife.
Yes. Okay.
Eyo.
Okay, Mommy, thank you very much. So you'll be giving this to me and congratulations, you won yourself a prize.
Thank you.
So say shout out to Ambassador Osazuwa Omede.
Ambassador Osazuwa Omede. God bless you. Thank you. 5,000.